gonna get our goodie bags. The shit still zoomed in. Come on. There we go. I gotta work this today. Okay, catching up to the girls. We found one, but we didn't find the rest of them. We're gonna look for them just now. I know, I was recording, sorry. We getting our goodie bag now, or?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was saying. The guy came up as soon as I got in line and was like, "Don't get y'all goodie bags now."
Why is he saying?
Because it's heavy as crap.
Oh,
I just
shit.
like looking at them shit.
Wow.
Like bag right there.
But it doesn't even look full. Doesn't look
But they
full.
look heavy.
That's why I brought a backpack.
They look like we got comfortable heels, but my feet were just about to look around. I didn't look so hard on my feet. Right. Y'all want to take a picture?
Sure. That looks nice. So we're gonna take a picture right here.
You gotta teach me angles or how.
Let me get your bag.
Oh.
This is one of the girls' jackets.
This is Angel's
Angel, sorry. Okay, got it.
You're like, what is Angel?
Wait, oh, is that the one who said she's lost? Oh, you're not gonna get your bag? Oh. I'm getting my bag. Thank you. Thanks. Right, you got a bag? It's just a free bag? So we're still in this Fashion Nova line. We're about to take a picture here, and then they give you your picture.
The line was shorter earlier, so
It's going pretty fast. I like the aesthetic.
I'm really like, I don't know how people wear shoes.
More. We went to like a next, what you gonna call it, haul.
I got shot. Sorry. It was so funny. I was gonna use my Violet Boss palette this morning. Oh, Violet Boss. Their stuff is so good. But this is to buy. This is not getting my stuff.
I'm not buying no more makeup. Sorry. I met up with other girls. Hey. All I want to see is Super Scent.
That's it. Where's about?
Yeah, where is that? Is that today? I don't know if she's here today. Oh, I thought our group was here.
They are here right there.
Are you here today?
I don't know.
Y'all taking her lips, y'all. Sorry.
Taking videos of the lips?
Yeah. It's nice though. Look, it matches her shirt.
Let's go to Two-Face. Y'all miss me with the buy, and I'll watch y'all buy. I'm done.
Where are you going? Keep going.
They're going to Two-Face.
Two-Face for what? Is it free?
I think we gotta buy everything in here. They might get me.
Oh, this is the section where you have to pay. I'm not.
Thank you.
So what is this called? Violet Boss.
You know what? Maybe I'll come here in the morning.
I don't know anything about this.
I want to go see what
Okay, let's go to Two-Face. hair dang. I cannot take sprays. Oh, there they are. So this is where Too Faced is. Fashion Nova outfit here. Fashion Nova. Okay with the booty out and things.
You see that ass? That's what Fashion Nova does for you. People that don't got no booty, Fashion Nova makes it happen. What? Listen, Fashion Nova sponsors me.
I still haven't ordered from Fashion Nova, so
Damn near ridiculous.
look at her shirt. Look at her shirt. But she is wearing one though. She is wearing one. Look.
They too big to not be wearing a bra. Let me tell you that much. Okay? It might say no bra club, but a bitch is wearing a great padded Victoria's Secret.
She went all out Victoria's Secret. Oh my god, I can't. Too Faced, yeah.
Wait, why is nobody in the line though?
He's probably fixed it. No, maybe it wraps around.
I'm not gonna.
I think it wraps around.
Still prices here?
Oh, there's Sally. There's a Sally, whatever you guys wanted.
Oh, Rick Ross is gonna be at Sally today.
Oh yeah, Rick Ross. Who was laughing when I said Rick Ross is gonna be there? And you're like, why is he there?
Coming out in the beauty. Like for men though, I did see it in the other shut down.
Why they shut down?
I knew it. Ooh, I wanted to pick a magazine though. They shut down because of what?
There's light up there. Come on, we could just fix it like ourselves.
It's my beauty blender.
Okay. Look at her.
You gotta listen. If you gotta pass, if you don't touch it.
Wait. What's going on? Hold on. Oh, whoa.
Listen, if you don't touch yourself up, you will be a bottle of Vaseline. Okay. Bring your beauty blender everywhere you go. You just bring the soft scotch. Bring the oil away. Makeup tips from the hood. Makeup tips 101.
I don't wear beauty blender, so I don't know about that. I just have the sponge, not the sponge. Yeah, the sponge you just done.
I just
Sponge and done. So I don't know what they're talking about. Oh, that light is proper right there. You see that light? That ring light? Oh, there's a next ring light over there. Huh? There's 2 ring lights.
What do you want to buy now?
We're basically just walking. This is a lot. All this line for Sally Beauty. This is crazy, yo. Yo, the line is all wrapped. I don't know if we can get anything today. Yes. Yes.
I feel like I've seen it before.
Really? My name is Jay's World on it.
Oh, I'm gonna be taking a look.
Sure.
Hi guys.
Hey.
Go right here. Subscribe. Make sure you like. It's amazing.
Thank you. Thanks. So I caught a fan. She says she knows me. Well, she feels like she knows me, and I'm like, Jay's World. She's like, okay, can I be in your vlog? I feel like she just wanted to be my vlog, but who knows? What's this line? The kiss? Oh.
The kiss? The samples over there.
Yeah, I want more free stuff. Wait,
I looked in front of me and I didn't see y'all, and I did a and I was like,
she had a panic attack, y'all, because she thought she lost us, which is okay.
It's not.
I would do the same thing.